What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Pretty boy Rob here, and I'll be hanging out with you for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy. Today we got a good one because we got these Pine Green 3 that have seen better days. I mean, just look at these joints. They're looking ashy, dirty, dusty, but not to worry because our essential shoe cleaning kit is definitely gonna get this job done. I don't know if you guys saw, but a couple months ago, Vic Almighty actually put his own unique twist on this shoe and created a sample black cement 3s that are extremely fire. So make sure you go check out that video. We got that link right here, or maybe right here, in one of the corners. But with all that being said, there's not much left to it but to do it. So let's get straight into this episode of Shoe Care Academy. Alrighty, awesome. Our cleaning station is all prepped. Now let's go ahead and just grab this left shoe, get that out of here, because we are only gonna be cleaning this right shoe just for before and after purposes. The first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and remove these laces and insert our adjustable shoe tree. So here I go. Perfect, the shoe is all prepped. We got our shoelaces out, our adjustable shoe tree in. The purpose of that shoe tree is just gonna give us that nice hard toe box so we can apply as much pressure as we need to during this cleaning process. But right now, there's a lot of just dust and a white junk all on the shoe. So before I just push it deeper into the material, what I'm gonna do is just grab our soft bristle brush and then just dry brush the whole shoe to help get some of that off. All right, I'm all done with the dry brush, got most of that dirt and grime off. Now we just gotta go ahead and grab our solution and squirt some squirts inside our bowl of water that we already have ready. Generally recommend 2 squirts because our solution is highly concentrated. All right, I'm all done with that first pass using our soft bristle brush, and I'm not gonna lie, these are cleaning up immaculate. However, again, that midsole is still pretty dirty, so we're gonna grab our medium bristle brush and just pay closer attention to the detail on that. So here I go, let's get it. All right, I'm all done using our medium bristle brush on that midsole. Normally we would recommend using our stiff bristle brush and tackling some of those deeper stains. However, since these 3s do have a painted midsole, we typically do not recommend using our stiff bristle brush because there is always a chance that you can cause some type of a paint chipping. So we're just gonna get straight to this outsole. So let's get it. All right, I'm all done using our stiff bristle brush. Before we continue with this cleaning, I wanna talk just a little about this shoe. So these are the Pine Green 3s. Personally, I'm not too big of a fan of them. However, Miguel, you were a fan?
I don't like green shoes like that.
Okay, so semi-fan. What about you, C-Ken?
Yeah, I think green shoes are tough to pull off. They're a little bit on the Christmas side.
I mean, I think green shoes are pretty classic, especially if you're gonna get into some of those Oregon colorways. That's pretty much what they did on this, kind of like a remake of an Oregon colorway. So I guess after thinking about it, I mean, I guess I would rock with them. They are like my size too, so maybe I can get them from the Lolo, Many Worlds Clothing. But if I don't cop them, make sure you guys hit that link in the description and you can purchase them for yourself. But like I said, we're almost done with these cleanings. The shoe is all prepped. Now I just gotta grab our laces. We're gonna dip them in the solution like so and get a nice scrub-a-dub on these. And we are back. We did go ahead and let this shoe dry in the Arizona sunshine for a few hours, and I'm very happy with how the suede nubuck, how the whole shoe turned out overall. I'm very happy with these results. Right now it's time to get these laced up and get them ready. So let's get it. There it is. That's gonna do it. That's gonna wrap things up for today's episode of Shoe Care Academy on these Pine Green 3s. We achieved these results using our essential shoe cleaning kit. Let me go ahead and just break down that process. First things, we grabbed our soft bristle brush, dry brushed the whole shoe to get all that loose dirt and grime off. Then we went ahead and dipped it in our bowl of solution water, worked on those uppers. Then we used our medium bristle brush, tackled that midsole. Lastly, our stiff bristle brush on that outsole. Then again, the laces, we washed those, let the shoe dry for a couple hours, and then we got these results. I'm very happy with how this shoe turned out. Overall, this shoe in general, I'm not the biggest fan of. However, if you guys haven't seen the custom Vic did when he turned this to a black cement 3s, I highly recommend you going to check that out. My name's Pretty Boy Rob, and with all that being said, it's time for me to boogie on out of here. But I'll see you guys again. Peace.